The mining causes heavy disturbance in the area due to blasting, removal of overburden, transportation, flying debris, and movement of a large number of laborers and other persons. Full stop. The safety zone of 25-meter presently prescribed by the Rajasthan Forest Department is totally inadequate as the rocks torn apart during blasting can travel much beyond the present safety zone. Full stop. However, increasing the safety zone to the desired level of 500 meter will result in closure of large number of mines. Full stop. Taking a holistic overall view of the situation, the CEC recommends that the Jamua Ramgarh Wildlife Sanctuary for the existing mines, the safety zone may be fixed as 100 meter, wherein no mining should be permitted. Full stop. For new mining leases, the safety zone may be fixed as 500 meter. Full stop. Reclamation and rehabilitation of the area mined inside the sanctuary should be carried out in a time bound manner, as the cost of the user agency for which a detailed reclamation and rehabilitation plan along with various items of work cost involved and time frame should be prepared and implemented on priority basis. Full stop. The plan presently prepared by the state government is totally inadequate. Full stop. It does not provide for reclamation and rehabilitation of the mining pits at all. Full stop. No provision for removal of stones and rocks scattered in the sanctuary has been made. Full stop. Intensive plantations and protection has not been provided. Full stop. The revised plan should incorporate the above and other necessary measures to provide a congenial habitat for wildlife. Full stop. In the event adequate funds for this purpose cannot be recovered from the erstwhile mine lease owners, the same should be made available by the state government. Full stop. Mining around the sanctuary should be allowed to restart only after a foolproof mechanism is put in place to ensure recovery of funds for implementation of reclamation and rehabilitation plan by the state government. Full stop. Exemplary compensation equivalent to the present market value of the entire mineral removed by the respective mine owners by mining inside the sanctuary in violation of the FC Act and or the WP Act should be recovered from them on the basis of the recovered production or the estimated figures mentioned in the FC Act applications. Full stop. The money so recovered should be used for protection and development of the sanctuary to its full potential. Full stop. The leftover minerals scattered inside the sanctuary should be directed to be removed immediately. Full stop. The leftover mining equipments such as cranes etc. should be confiscated and removed outside the sanctuary at the cost of the erstwhile mine lease holders. Full stop. No mining should be permitted adjoining the sanctuary till the boundary of the sanctuary is demarcated on the ground